It's your girl Jessie Q and it is 2019! Oh my gosh, happy new year to each and every one of you out there. I am so excited for this new year. We have all made it over. If you're watching this video, congratulations to you. We are officially in 2019 and there is an entire year ahead of us for us to do great, make great things and just be great people, and I'm just excited about it. 2019 is going to be a great year for me. I don't know about you guys, but I know that it's going to be awesome for me. So today, as you can see, I have a friend here. It's keeping me company. We're gonna do a thing. So I have never done this before, but it's something that I am really excited to do because I believe in what it is. I believe in what it does. I am going to be making a vision board. I have a lot of plans that I would like to achieve. I have a lot of things that I would like to do for this new year. Some of them are already in the planning stages and some of them, you know, I still have to figure out, but I want it to be where I am sort of held accountable, you know, and I think this is what this does for me. I am personally not a procrastinator. However, I am a doubter. And I doubt in my own abilities. I think that is one of my greatest downfalls, because what happens is I have all of these great ideas and, you know, they always just stay up here, or I write them down and then I'm like, I try finding all the reasons why, nah, I can't do that, nah, I don't have the money, nah, it really won't work, you know, that kind of thing. And I want to get away from that for this new year. So that is why I have decided I'm going to be making a vision board. Now what I have done here is the board that I already had and I covered it. So I'm just going to show you guys how I was able to do that and then we can get started. Alright guys, so this is where it's starting. This is where we are starting from. I have this board here. I can't remember where I got it from. I've had it for a long while, just not doing anything with it. So what I'm going to do, I got this marble contact paper from a wonderful variety store and I will be doing something with this very, very soon, so you guys want to stay tuned for that. And I just have a pair of scissors here, and what we're going to do is we are going to cover this entire board with the marble contact paper, and that is going to be the basis for our vision board. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so we are all done and this is what we're working with. This is going to be the base of our mood board. So as you can see, I've covered it over and it looks pretty good. So let's move on to filling this with all the great ideas and all the things we want to accomplish for the year 2019. Alright, so our board has been totally covered in our lovely marble contact paper, and this is already my aesthetic, so I know my eyes are just naturally going to be drawn to this every day and I'm going to see it and remember what I have to do every day. What I was able to do is that I cut out a bunch of different pictures of different things that I know that I want to accomplish, and what we're going to do is attach them to our board. I made a list first of all. On my phone, I made a list of the things that I want to accomplish for the year 2019. And that list was my guide, right? So based on the items on my list, I went and I just Googled a bunch of different pictures that are in line with that list. And I printed them out and I cut them to size. I wanted them to be kind of small because I want to see all, and I don't want it to be too jumbled. I want them all to fit. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to go through my list and we're going to attach them to our vision board. To attach them, I have these little straight pins. They are very tiny straight pins with the balls and the ends, and I had this for DIY idea. I probably still would do that DIY idea, but this is what we're going to use now. They're a little cuter than thumbtacks to me. So that's what we're using. I also have some stickers, some letter stickers. Don't know if I'm going to use it yet, but if I am, I do have it available. Alright, so let's go through our vision board ideas for this year. So to start off, I wanted to have two things. The first one was I wanted to have a word for the year, and my word for the year is stability. Stability is something that is very important to Kai and I, and as you guys may know by now, I'm starting a new life in this new year, and I really wanted to bring a part of that into the new year with me as a part of my vision board. So stability is important, and I wanted that to be my word for the year. So I have my word stability, and also I wanted to do a quote for the year. And this quote I got from a YouTuber by the name of Amber Shawl. I love Amber, and this quote has been her main quote for some years, and it really resonated with me. I love it very much. So my quote for the year is, what if it doesn't come true? But what if it does? And this is just to help me to not doubt myself, not doubt my abilities, and doubt the things that I want to do. So these two, I sort of want to be like centered in my vision board. So I'm just going to take my thumbtacks and I'm going to add them. Alright, so I have my two central things. They have been added to my vision board. Now we're just going to go through this fast because I don't want this video to be too very long, but let's do this. So my first thing that I want to do for this new year is I want to learn animation. As I said last year, I learned how to do some sort of graphic design. I learned to use Photoshop, and this year I want to take it up a notch and I want to learn animation. So that is the first thing that I'm going to add to my list. So as you can see, I'm just adding them to random places along my vision board. It really doesn't matter. I like a bit more structure, so it will probably be in order, but that's okay. My next thing that I want to do is get a doggy. And this is the exact dog that I'm looking to get. Honestly, in all honesty, I don't know how possible this is, but it is something that I would like to do, so I'm going to add it anyway. My next thing is to invent a new product. I am a business owner. As you guys know, I'm very business minded and I have a lot of business ideas. So for this year, I want to either start a new business or invent a new product. And then I want to expand the business that I currently have. The next thing that I want to do is travel to Paris. I am getting married this year and my dream destination for my honeymoon is Paris. So I want to make this happen. My next thing is to post regularly on Instagram. So I just found this. It is sort of like a posting guide for Instagram, when to post, how often, that kind of thing. And I want to do this for the new year. My next idea is to plan a travel themed wedding. And this is something that I'm really excited about. My next thing is to buy a car. Now, I've had a car before. I purchased a car 2 years ago and I sold it, well, 3 years ago now. We're in a new year, and I sold it the year before. So I want to buy a new car, but I don't want the car for myself. I want to buy a new car as a business idea. My next thing is to build a house. So I'm not going to talk too much on this. You'll see it when you see it. My next thing is to get to 2,000 followers on Instagram. Now this one, guys, is not that far-fetched because I am at about 1,500 right now. So I probably should aim a little higher, but I just wanted to keep it kind of realistic and keep it there. My next thing is to hit 400 subscribers on YouTube. Now, this also may not seem like a lot to you guys, but in the 1 year, well, almost 1 year that I've been doing YouTube, I'm almost at 200 subscribers. So in this, if we're keeping that same math, then this would mean that I doubled my subscription amount in another year. My next thing is to curate my Instagram and how I post. So basically, I want to be a little Instagram baddie. No, I'm kidding. I just want to have an aesthetic. I'm very much about aesthetics and having something that reflects me. I also want to do a lot more photo shoots and do a lot more photographed pictures as opposed to just normal selfies. I want to do a lot of outfit inspos and, you know, that kind of influencer type posting. So I really want to do that for the new year. The next thing is more YouTube collaborations. I want to collaborate with other YouTubers, with businesses, and so on and so on. My next thing is that this is one is kind of big. I want to create a new YouTube channel, but it is not going to be about me. I kind of want to create a community type channel and just do a lot of different stuff. So it's an idea that I have a name. I'm not going to show you guys the name, but well, I'll show you. The name that I'm thinking about is Sociable, and Sociable TT to be exact. And I don't know, let's see. I want to make this happen. My next thing is that I want to save $20,000, and as you can see, I crossed out the 2 that they had. I want to save it in 1 year. I have a wedding coming up, so you know, this might sound like a lot to some other people, but right now this is the amount that I need to save. My next thing is that I want to make my own clothes. You guys know that I sew, I have a fashion company and all of that, but to be very honest, I don't make enough clothes for myself, and then I'm upset because I don't make enough clothes for myself. So for the year 2019, this is definitely something that I want to do. My next thing is I want to become a plant mom. Now, I've tried this in the past. It didn't really work out for me. I want to give it another try. I love plants, not too much, but I do love them, and I just want to have a little bunch of plants that are mine, and I take care of them and I see them grow. My next thing is that I want to plan and schedule my YouTube videos a lot more. I want to have a rigid posting schedule and stick to it. So this is something I definitely want to achieve in 2019. My next thing is to study hard and pass exams. I have some big exams coming up in mid 2019, so I need to get studying for that, and I want to pass. You know, I'm getting married, so I just really want to have an enjoyable wedding and start my marriage on the best foot forward possible. So of course I had to put this on there. This is a big one as well. I really want to do sister locks. I want it so bad. So this is my inspiration picture for what I want my sister locks to look like, and I want to do this soon. I really want to do this soon, guys, so stay tuned for this. My next thing is that I want to have a solid career, right? I'm the kind of person that wants a lot of different things, so I'm not really sure where my life is going, to be very honest, but I wanna get that all of that is part of stability, and that's something that I definitely want to achieve. And last but by no means least, I want to take better care of my skin. Now, I don't have the most perfect skin out here, I really don't, but you know, I want to be a glowing bride for my wedding. Plus, I just want to be a healthier person all around, and I want to start with my skin. So as you guys can see, I'm not wearing any makeup today, and I'm starting from today. I'm going to take better care of my skin. Alright, so to end this, I just have a few bits and bobs here. I have 2019 vision board and another quote. Let's make it happen. So I'm just going to add those to the top, and then my vision board will be complete, and I will show you guys the completed look of my vision board. Alright guys, so that has been my completed vision board. I love it so much. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I can just see the visions coming to life, and I'm really excited for this year to actually accomplish all of the things that I set out to do. So guys, I encourage you guys to do a vision board of your own. I think it's a great idea to just help you visualize the things that you want to achieve. If you guys have any questions on this, feel free to ask me down below in the comment section, and I will answer them for you. If you're not sure how to go about doing it, I'm very open to giving you all ideas. Thank you so much for checking this video out. This is the first first one of 2019, and I have a few great ones coming up very, very soon, so stay tuned to that. If you have not yet, hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon to be notified every single time that I post, because I'm going to be doing it more often according to my vision board, so you don't want to miss any of that. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and until next time.